Check out this pre-owned 2002 Ford Ranger XLT. This 4-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, and power steering. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.